Avish Khan finished one more game for Lucknow Super Giants in some style. Obviously not with the bat this time, but with a ball in hand. He nailed those perfect Yorkers to script one more scintillating victory for Lucknow Super Giants. What a super Saturday, what a cracking Saturday we have had. We saw two scintillating contests, one in the afternoon game, Gujarat Titans was up against Delhi Capitals, the clash of the table toppers, followed by another cracker of a game, Rajasthan Royals, who were up against the Lucknow Super Giants. And I tell you what, this was the second consecutive game Rajasthan have bottled the run chase. We saw their game against Delhi Capitals where they just couldn't make 9 runs off Mitchell Starc's last over, followed by a dismal show in super over as well. And now against Lucknow Super Giants, they just couldn't make 9 runs against Avish Khan in the last over with Shimron Hetmyer with Dhruv Jurel on the crease. Avish Khan was the real superhero for Lucknow Super Giants. Despite went for plenty in his first 2 overs, he delivered when it mattered the most. He delivered in those dead overs. He nailed the perfect Yorkers to script one more scintillating victory for Lucknow Super Giants. Talk about the game, it started with some fiery spell from Jofra Archer along with Sandeep Sharma. Mitchell Marsh, who had a terrific season for Lucknow Super Giants this year, along with Nicholas Pooran, both of them couldn't just put up a show. Followed by the skipper of Lucknow Super Giants, Rishabh Pant, who had one more miserable outing. But it was the pair of Aiden Markram, their opener, along with their impact sub Ayush Badoni, both chipped in with a 50 and steadied the storm for Lucknow Super Giants. But not to forget, Abdul Samad was the real hero for Lucknow Super Giants, who hit 30 off just 10 balls, including 4 gigantic sixes against Sandeep Sharma in the last over. And courtesy to that blinder from Abdul Samad, Rajasthan Royals were chasing 181 runs on the board. But it was Yashasvi Jaiswal, their opener, along with their other opener, 14-year-old debutant Vaibhav Suryavanshi, who announced his arrival in the IPL in some style. First of all, Vaibhav Suryavanshi became the youngest player to make a debut in the history of IPL. He debuted for Rajasthan Royals last night at the age of 14 years 23 days, and he announced his arrival in some style. He was facing his first ball in the Indian Premier League, and guess what? He opened his account with a 6 against Shardul Thakur in the very first over. And the opening pair of Rajasthan Royals put 85 runs on the board in just 8.3 overs. Chasing 181, it looked like Rajasthan are cruising in that run chase. But it was the man with a golden arm, Aiden Markram, who had a terrific day with the bat as well, again delivered for Lucknow Super Giants, but this time with a bowl. And after the departure of their young debutant Vaibhav Suryavanshi, Nitish Rana also departed quite cheaply. But Yashasvi Jaiswal was there for Rajasthan Royals in the middle, along with their stand-in captain Riyan Parag, who also had some outing. Yashasvi Jaiswal along with Riyan Parag were cruising in that run chase. It looked like it's just a cakewalk for Rajasthan Royals. But guess what? They just didn't score 25 runs in the last 3 overs with 8 wickets in hand. With well set Yashasvi Jaiswal and Riyan Parag in the middle, they just couldn't score 25 runs of the last 3 overs, courtesy to some scintillating bowling from Avesh Khan along with Prince. Avesh Khan, after going for few runs in his first 2 overs, delivered for Lucknow Super Giants when it mattered for them. In the 18th over, he dismissed well set Yashasvi Jaiswal on a toe crusher, followed by Riyan Parag in the same over. Prince also bowled a decent 19th over, and yet again it went down to the wire for Rajasthan Royals. With Hetmyer and Dhruv Jurel at the crease, they needed just 9 runs of the last over. Avesh Khan was the bowler. He would back Rajasthan Royals to make those runs, but that just didn't happen. Avesh Khan nailed his Yorkers to perfection, and despite a dropped catch from David Miller, Avesh Khan scripted a scintillating win for Lucknow Super Giants, and they got 2 points in their kitty. Talk about the afternoon game, the clash of the table toppers. Delhi Capitals were up against Gujarat Titans, and Jos Buttler was simply sensational in that run chase. Batting first, Delhi has scored 203 runs on the board with contribution from Tristan Stubb, Akshar Patel and a blinder from Ashutosh Sharma. In that run chase, Shubman Gill departed quite early, courtesy to a direct hit from Karun Nair, who was simply brilliant for Delhi Capitals in the field. But it was the other opener for Gujarat Titans, Sai Sudarshan, who yet again looked classical for his 36 runs. But it was Jos Buttler who was the chief architect for Gujarat Titans in that run chase. In that scorching heat of Ahmedabad, Joes Butler looked ice cool for his 97 not out. Along with Sherfin Rutherford, he started taking on Delhi Capitals. The duo chipped in with a partnership of 100 runs and it looked like a simple chase for Gujarat Titans. But guess what? Mukesh Yadav delivered a perfect 19th over for Delhi Capitals. He just went for 5 runs in that over and it went down to the wire again for Delhi Capitals after that super over thing. Gujarat Titans needed 10 runs in the last over. Rahul Tewatia was on the strike with Joes Butler on 97 not out at the non-striker's end. Mitchell Starc was bowling that particular over for Delhi Capitals, who must be hoping Mitchell Starc should script one more miracle for them after the heroics in the super overs against Rajasthan Royals. But this time, that just didn't happen. Rahul Tewatia, who was ice cool in the scorching heat of Ahmedabad, delivered for Gujarat Titans once again. He scored 10 runs in just 2 balls against Mitchell Starc in the last over and scripted one more victory for Gujarat Titans. Yes, Joes Butler couldn't complete his 100, but who cares? They got 2 points in their bag. Joes Butler was player of the match for Gujarat Titans for his terrific 97 not out against Delhi Capitals. He was the main reason why Gujarat Titans have chased 200 plus against Delhi Capitals. So that's all from 2 cracking games from Super Saturday. We have 2 games lined up today as well. Don't forget to follow us across platforms. We'll be back with more such videos. Until next time, it's goodbye from our side.